why gardening never worked for you. Have you ever wondered why the advice you got from your friends or other gardeners never worked for you? You may have the same plant as them and you follow exactly what they do or what they say, but somehow you can never replicate the same kind of success or the same kind of result as them. Let me share with you a story. A friend of yours gave you a pot of rosemary on your birthday and she told you that it is very easy to grow. All you need to do is to water it twice a day, put it beside a window on the sunny spot and it will grow well for you. So you follow exactly what she said. So you water it twice a day, you put it beside a window and after a month it died. And you wonder why. You then got another plant from another gardener because you really didn't want to give up. So you asked him for advice and he said, you shouldn't water it twice a day, that's a bit too much. You should only water it once a day and it will continue to grow well for you. So you try his way, so you water once a day and guess what, after a month it died again. And you got so frustrated and you gave up. Such gardening advice will never work. What works for others may not work for you because you got the wrong kind of advice or rather the wrong kind of information. You see, gardening is not so much about plants. You simply can't control over how your plants will grow. It is more about something else, and that is the growing environment. You can't grow the same plant the same way in a different environment. The amount of sunlight is different, the humidity level, the soil conditions, the wind conditions, they are all different. They are all different in different kind of environments. You may only need to water it once a day if your environment is very humid, while others need to water their plants multiple times a day because their environments can be very windy or very hot. So instead of asking for advice, what you can do is to ask for the growing environment. Like, where do you grow your plant? Is it very humid? Is your place very sunny? You have a lot of wind at your place? You can then replicate similar environment so that you can get similar results. So the more you find out about the environment, the easier you can replicate the results. See, gardening is a lot about managing the environment. So remember, it's not about the plants, it's more about the environment. So comment below if this is an aha moment for you. So if you want to learn more about gardening or you want to know more about how I do gardening, click on the subscribe button below and follow my channel. I will upload new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And until then, enjoy your gardening and I will see you soon.